Hey, can just merged my PR into the Epic stack, which is super exciting. We introduced image optimization, and in this video I want to showcase what impact image optimization can have for your site and why I think it's super important and really cool that we added this. So this PR introduces openimg as a dependency for the Epic stack, and openimg is a small toolkit I built recently. It has two parts. The first one is a backend package. So you have a HTTP request handler that you can add into your Remix or React router resource route and manage incoming requests to optimize images or retrieve them from the cache. And then the second thing is a React component to render a picture element with all the modern attributes and make the request to that endpoint. Cool. Let's just review how the Epic stack was performing before we added this. So if you log in as Cody loves you, and we go to one of the pages that has a few images and we do a hard refresh, we can see that we are currently loading 3 PNGs with over 1 megabyte of image data. And that's just for these small 3 images. And so it's using non-modern formats like a PNG here. And then if we review the URL, we can see that the images are also quite big. And if you review the UI, you can see that we don't actually need them that size, right? That original size. We could have resized them to load less data. And that's kind of the point of image optimization. So now we have added the openimg changes to the Epic stack and are running it locally again. So if we log in as Cody one more time, Cody loves you, and we go to the same page, we can see that we are loading 3 modern formats now, AVIF in this case, and that the URLs have changed. So if we inspect those, you can see it now goes to a new resource route /resources/images, and it includes the height and the width that we specified in the image component and the format. So if you review this URL again, you can see the images are much smaller now, and in total we are loading now 1 megabyte less of data, which obviously is great and will have an impact on the Lighthouse score and the user experience. Awesome. One more thing I wanted to showcase is that we never have to load an original image or one of the cached images into memory, into a buffer, but we always process them as streams, as HTTP streaming, and with Sharp. And that's really great because we avoid utilizing too much memory of our web server. So openimg is also integrated on my meetup site, allthingsweb.dev, and we can see we are loading a grid of images here. That loads pretty quickly. And if we look at one of those images, we can see there's again an image optimization endpoint with a source to the original image. And in this case, this is a signed S3 bucket URL. And then we have our width and height parameters followed by the format. So if I change this to WebP and specify different height and width parameters, we can see we actually perform the transformation, and all of this happens in a stream. So if we look at the dashboard of my Fly instance running here, we can see the machine's memory. And here at the 9:30 mark, I actually deleted the cache fully just to showcase how this works. So before that, we were using like 1.8 gigabyte of memory, just JavaScript things. And then after, or like while doing the transformation, we went up to 2.2 gigabytes of memory. So that's like 4 megabytes, I guess. And the source images are way bigger than that. This showcases that we are able to transform all these images in parallel without ever loading them into memory, which is great for our little web server here. Cool. If you're interested to learn more about image optimization, I'm also going to give a talk at Epic WebConf in Salt Lake City. So hope to see you there. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Bye.